tufted duck there. Oh no, it's not. It's a coot. It's a coot. That one. Beautiful. As you can see, that one there. That's a coot. And behind there. Let's see if we can get a bit closer to it. Couple of geese here as well. Look. These two here. They're geese. There's that coot. So elegant, isn't it? Alright guys, here we are out and about on another adventure. Here we are at there you go. What's that? Yes, we know it's water. That is Charnwood water. Say hi from the others. There's our junior IPA head, Leighton. There you go. It's top bloke, this guy is. Top bloke, junior IPA. There you go. So we're gonna show you around. Most of you have probably been here anyway, but we'll see what ducks we can find. So, see you in a bit. There are a couple of mallards there. Look, male mallards.
And
then if you're around the corner there, you see the drake, female mallard, called a drake. Right, let's see what we can find around the other end. Right, over there, that is the tufted duck. I got confused back there, but yeah, that's definitely the tufted duck. And that one there you can hear, that's your coot. God, I love birds. I love nature. I think nature's fantastic. It's so peaceful here.
Good girl. Good girl. Now you put it. If you want to catch one.
I just love it where these trees bow over the water. You can climb up there and you could sit on the end of that branch and just look out. It's like sitting on the mast of the ship.
Come on. No, you have to make her know that she don't.
Go on! Go put a stand on you! Go on, move it! Move it! What's the matter with you? Oh, I don't know. Dogs are like kids. Straight through the puddle. You'd think they'd go round, wouldn't you? God. Honestly, I do think that dogs are like kids.
Or worse.
One of these days, she's going to stop right in front of me and I'm going to stand on her. Nice drink. I think most of the birds are up the other end. There's another coot again. A couple of mallards coming to the fold there. There's the coot. There's a swamp. We'll get some more over there in a minute when we get there. Oh yeah, so it's junior IPA dog walking today. Come on, Mitch, come on.
Go on.
I'll put it.
We'll go.
Go on then.
You can hold her quite well there.
And how to control your dog while you're walking. A few simple commands: sit, walk, heel,
She is.
and then the dog swiftly obeys.
Barbara Woodhouse.
Yeah, Bob Woodhouse. Sit.
Sit.
Good dog. Sit.
Sit.
Good
Sit.
dog.
Sit. No,
Trying
sit.
the Bob Woodhouse on Mitz. Mitz. Sit.
Sit.
Sit, Mitz. Yeah. Disobedient little hand. Sit. Good girl. Good doggy. Right.
Why is she in a tartan skirt?
There's mallards. More mallards. Seems to be a lot of mallards. More today than. Oh, there's some Canada geese right over there. Right, in that direction over there, look. There's the Canada geese. Right, let's see what we can get from over here. Ah, here we go. Here's the swans. Oh.
Don't like the dog.
No, they don't like dogs. It's so elegant. This one's it might be last year's
I'm scared of it.
young'un.
Dog's supposed to.
Oh, test it to just see how far I can get with him. It's hissing. It's hissing. It's hissing. Do you think I can get a selfie with it? Do you think he'll let me?
No.
It's hissing the dogs. Shall we get a selfie? Can we get in?
That's the baby, that is.
Last year's, I think.
That's behind.
It's last year's baby.
Behind.
Yeah,
All the down.
beautiful. They're so beautiful creatures, these are. I think these are brown. I think this is called a brown goose. I'm not sure. I'm a bit rusty on geese. I ain't going to get very far with this one. It's going to go in the water soon to get close. But this is as close as I can get. There you go. It's gone in. There they go. There's the swans. I'm going to see if I can get a selfie with this one. I don't think it's going to let me. Alright, let Mitzi off. Give him a bit of freedom, let her off. That's alright, let him off. You can always call her back. You can call her back, she's alright. Well, let's just get ahead. Let's get up ahead. Let them off, they'll run ahead. There you go. Right, go on then, behave. Right, then that concludes our nature walk, taking the dogs for a walk. It's not our usual thing what we normally do with Junior IPA, but we hope you enjoyed it all the same. So check out the other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye now.
Bye.